Sometimes late at night I lie awake and watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the light, let her in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind, I never wake in the morning. Would she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Did I try in every way, show her every day she's my only one? If my time on earth was gold, she must face this world without pain. Is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? 'Cause I lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Now I live with their